Starting this bald fade, you want to ask your client what number he wants to do on top. Once you know the number, you want to go ahead and proceed by running it evenly and thoroughly throughout the whole hair. Now you want to set in your bald guideline. I like to use my lever close. This makes for a softer line when it comes to eliminating that bald line. Here we're using the lever open, also known as the half. Make sure you use every single notch on that lever so you could get that crispy fade. Now put the lever halfway and make sure you go halfway up that line and start flicking out that line. Now close the lever and continue flicking out that bottom line until the line is completely blended out. Using the zero guard, we're going to be making another guideline about a finger width going up. Now put the lever halfway and continue flicking out that bottom line until the line is fully gone. And when you close that zero guard, basically that line should already be fully gone, but you will have to come back and detail it with the half. Be patient and enjoy the process. Now this is the best part. You either break the haircut or make the haircut with this. Here we're laying down his hair, making sure we're prepping him for the waves to start popping out. He ain't dipping yet, but he finna be. Now we're gonna start the lineup process. Make sure you start from the middle and you make your way to the left or to the right, but just do it with confidence and make sure you stand back and you look at what you're doing and double, triple check your work. Now when you're doing this part, make sure you're stretching the client's scalp, the skin. Make sure you're stretching every area that you could stretch before you pass the razor. This is the end result. The dad loved it. He even messaged me thanking me. If you're in the Los Angeles area and you're looking for a new barber, hit me up.